Creamy baked pasta with salmon. This creamy pasta bake with salmon is the perfect way to enjoy seafood during the week. It's easy to do and a warming meal for the whole family. Pop the oven on at 180 degrees Celsius. While the oven is warming up, cook the linguine in a large saucepan of boiling water, following the packet directions or until al dente. Reserve 1/3 cup of the cooking liquid, then drain the pasta. Place a large oven-proof skillet over medium heat. Add the butter and oil and cook for 30 seconds until the butter melts. Add your salmon to the hot pan, skin side up, and cook for 1 to 2 minutes or until the salmon is golden brown. Transfer the fish to a plate or tray. Next, add the leek and garlic to the pan. Cook stirring for 5 minutes or until the leek softens. Add the mustard, creme fraiche, dill and lemon juice, and stir to combine. Grab your pasta and the reserved cooking liquid and add it to the creme fraiche mixture. Stir to combine and top the pasta with the salmon. Season with salt and pepper. Pop the pan in the oven and bake for 10 minutes or until the salmon is just cooked through. Once the salmon is rosy and cooked to your liking, sprinkle the pasta with a little dill and parmesan. Serve with lemon for a fresh burst of flavour. This easy pasta bake is full of delicious flavour. It's a warming meal that's the perfect way to enjoy seafood in the cooler months.